Okay, Jackie. Let's get this shit on the road. Can I actually talk to these people?
Yes, of course. This vessel is at thy disposal. Do what thou wilt. This soul remembers its invective, but remembers not its tongue.
Though spoken with a different voice, you recognize the eloquent drawl of Withers, the wraith that summoned the hireling.
They are but echoes. They recall not a manner of speech. Thus, I lent them my rhetoric.
Interesting.
To speak thusly takes little of my effort. Besides, what better use is there of time than discourse? Because you needed to speak to it. Because it feels correct. Fitting.
Thanks. Oh, he just fucking disappeared.
This vessel is at thy disposal.
Oh shit.
Do what thou wilt.
And how? Ooh. Okay. What was it on? Resting. That's what I said. I don't care about you. Actually, I don't care about them. 9. Oop.
Sleep is a hazy oasis on the far side of a desert of worry. You know exactly what this illithid parasite will do to you. Within 7 days, you'll become a mind flayer. But what
Not all
about the
bad.
bomb in your chest? Ceramorphosis is likely to destabilize it. What then?
Okay, so we're trying for Mommy Mystra. I don't know if it's possible, but that's what we're trying for.
She was furious when she realized what you'd done. Seeking control, trying to prove yourself her equal. You were in love with her. Now you're a danger to everyone you know. Your mistakes have been huge. The consequences, memorable. But you won't let anyone die. You can't. You'll need to drain magical energy from a powerful artifact soon. As you contemplate your hubris, your eyelids grow heavier and heavier.
Excuse me, Mr. Decarios. Mr. Decarios. Yoo-hoo!
That's amazing.
Destiny is at your door. Will you at least twitch the curtain? Well, it isn't the mother of all magic, lucky for you. You look terrible. Are you eating?
I love this cat already.
I won't be teased, heckled, pestered, or vexed, Mr. Decarios. Not before I've had my due.
Already worth the playthrough. I get a cat.
That's it. No one manages the nuances quite like you. Making sure you keep on the straight and narrow, as is my task in this weary life. I looked away for a moment just once, and look where it got us. You, a living doomsday device. The shame.
Nestled amongst your books and papers, Tara bore witness to your greatest triumphs and your greatest failure. You made yourself a walking cataclysm, the annihilation brewing within you, just about held at bay by your constant consumption of magical objects. Tara saw it all, but never left your side.
Speaking of which, I brought you something for your tummy troubles.
Interesting.
A ring, coarse pulsing with magic. The Nethery's orb within you shudders, longing to consume, to devour. It must be satisfied.
We have a great deal of catching up to do. Eat that, have a wash, and for the love of all that's dear, a shave. Then you can fill me in on what I've missed.
I love this cat. I forgot what they're called. Yeah, I'm actually curious.
Handy little spell I've been working on. Tara's cat flap of displacement. I haven't worked out all the kinks, but I'm starting to be able to find my way around. It is terribly good to see you, Mr. Dakarios. Now eat up. If you explode and kill us all, I'll be furious.
Me too. Okay, I'm not eating that bitch. The Netherese weave roiling with you. Hungers for magic items. Consume an item or face the consequences. Oh, that's fun. Where is my kitty cat friend? I'm assuming she's in the map somewhere. Oh. Oh, right in front of my fucking face. So what is this? When you fail the dexterity saving throw, you can use your reaction to succeed. I'm gonna eat this.
You breathe a little easier. The magic you consumed has staved off the dark hunger within you. For now.
Sweet. Okay, so I don't have to like over consume. Good to know. Save.
Ah. Oh, goodness. That thing on your face is even worse than I remember. Mr. Dakarios, if you have to ask, there's no hope for you at all. Please tell me you've at least made inroads when it comes to finding someone to settle down with. Myself and Mrs. Dakarios are starting to think you intend to die alone.
Rude. You've been visiting my mother?
Naturally. After you abandoned her, there was only me left to keep her company. She's very good company, though. Ah, the stories we've traded over toast and tea. You're a highly entertaining source of speculation. But speculation only goes so far. Tell me, Mr. Dakarios, how have you been?
I've been abducted on a nautiloid and infected with an illithid parasite.
Oh, well, that is... How long do you have?
6 days now. Yep.
Days? Mystra preserve us, Mr. Dakarios. Gale, you are the finest mind, the finest wizard I have ever had the pleasure to know. If anyone can beat this thing, it is you. When you tried to control the weave, when it all went, pardon my language, belly up, I was terrified, scared you'd be hurt, scared Mystra would punish you for your transgression. But do you know what never crossed my mind? That you wouldn't figure a way out of it. My clever friend never leaves a knot knotted. This parasite is one more knot, so get to tugging threads. And, Mr. Dakarios, please, the beard. I'd cut it down myself if I could hold a razor.
there a way to shave? Like, I don't even fucking know. Sorry, Tara, I can't shave.
Well, if it isn't my favorite fellow himself. More or less the same, although news of some mad faction calling themselves absolutists is starting to trickle in.
Damn.
I told your mother not to worry, that if they were anything to worry about, Baldur's Gate would handle things quick sharp, keep them from spreading their tendrils north. She still wants to know when she'll see you again, sir. I avoid giving any answers, but she misses you.
Yeah, I can't risk putting her in danger.
I know that, but she doesn't. She'd keel over if she knew just how you tried to manipulate the weave. Or maybe she'd just say something like, "My Gale always was one to make the impossible possible." Oh, but she adores you. Anyhow, I'm keeping my senses pricked for any sign of another item that might be of use to you. Hopefully something will turn up soon. You focus on that parasite. I dare say turning into a mind flayer may set that bomb off as quick as anything. No time to waste.
Agreed. Sorry, I love this cat. I know I keep talking to her,
Right,
but
Mr. Dekarios?
she deserves the scratches.
That's the spot, sir. Thanking you.
Yeah, I don't want you sounding like that. It's a little weird. The wrong type of pussy that I like. Alright, so where am I? I think the Grove? I am not the Grove. Halson. That shit. Oh, that's right. Let me go do that. I have to talk to Arabella's parents. Oops. Get some of the aspirants. We'll sort real quick. I don't think I have an archer. Ooh. Maybe I can make the cleric an archer. Ooh, maybe he has more money, because I have more shit to sell, sir.
This is about your precious Baldur's Gate.
Need anything else? Just some bits and bobs I no longer need?
No.
He's got
you
6.
stupid apprenticeship.
Take that back, right now.
That's not bad for someone. How much is that? 440. What do you got? You have the half plate. It's 2 additional AC plus 1. It's not crazy. Nobody got time for all that shit. What do you got? Nothing.
We don't even know these people.
That doesn't matter.
Of course it does. You would choose strangers over us.
Definitely need to keep these magic items
Can you stop
up. Right.
shouting?
Yeah, can you? Shut the fuck up. Boom, 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 boom. I don't need 1,000 of these. Maybe? I might be good for the owlbear, actually. I'm never gonna use that one, I know that. I need to spell up these potions. Yes, 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 and... yes. I don't use those, I never remember to. Should be good. Sweet.
Sylvanas,
Yeah,
Calm
fuck you.
down, please.
I won't leave them behind.
Where's her rebel? Oh, there she is. Hi. What the fuck?
What your mother and I have done.
You ever scare me like that again, and I'll feed you to a knoll.
Mom, I'm fine.
Our little Hellion told us what happened. Thank you. Likewise.
I hope it'll be better. Second
Thank you for helping me.
Yeah. Can't see what. Thanks. Ooh, I can eat that shit. Thanks. Wow.
The druids don't care about
Best thing ever is like the dog shit items that you can just fucking eat. Oh yeah, let me see if he's got any of that. None of your fucking business. That's who's here.
Thanks. My selection's pretty slim. I had to leave most of my equipment in Eltura.
Shield. So she's definitely not using a shield. He's gonna be dual wielding. He has the shields. Plus 2 AC. Oh. Leaving Thursday. Not worth it. More ring mail armor. Anything of value here? Advantage. Can he use this proficient with this weapon unlocks? Okay, so he is proficient in bows. So I want 2 front. So front. I mean, if I have 3 front, I can kind of keep Gale towards the back, I guess. Doesn't mean I can't have something for him. I'll find something eventually. Fuck off. What do you sell, bitch? Was it like food?
You. Saw you fighting those slimy barbs. Fancy a bowl? Best to fill your belly now.
Thanks. Nasty ass bitch. It says she... It's a seller. I guess it's just I know who you are, bitch. Okay. Hold on, I'm confused. Where's the... Who'd she give it to? Jesus?
Let's get going.
Have a lot on my mind. And, well, eat it.
Oh, it's probably in here. Damn, bitch. Yo, give me some more of that shit. What the fuck? Let me talk to asshole. Not that it's necessary, I could just do it. I've never actually talked to him in the full game. Wonder if he's anything different.
I heard what happened. Thank you for protecting the child. If the druids are this far gone, then it's not just goblins we have to fear. So we can risk violence here, or face it for certain on the road. Quite the choice, isn't it? It's good of you to offer, but there's a whole army of goblins out there. We'd need an army of our own to escort us safely to Baldur's Gate. And while I don't doubt your ability, there may be a way, though. Goblins are ill-disciplined.
Yes,
It's no
they're
small
game.
thing to ask, but I've seen you fight. You're equal. Everyone in this camp depends on it. We'll be ready to leave as soon as...
Okie dokie. Okay. So we'll head there first. Boink. Bitch.
My.
Oh, not this asshole. I hope you guys don't care, because I'm just fucking...
Well met. I am
I'll be nice. Yeah. Suck my dick.
there. Middle of some. The house of. It might just be your last.
Are you not entertained?
Potentially. Because my compassion is boundless. I could fix it all. Like that. And what it... Such a tease. By all means.
Well, thanks. Now let me get my shit.
Color me curious.
Color me a curioso.
At the back of the crevice lies a bag enfolded in the chitinous squabbling of spiders.
There's a spider song like that. It's fucking terrifying.
Pokes from its mouth.
Oh, he doesn't have guidance? What a shit cleric. No, he's... Are you kidding me?
The creatures clutch the pouch possessively.
No. Oh, that's why. They're just gay.
At the back of the crevice lies a bag enfolded in the chitinous squabbling of spiders. A shiny
What?
gold coin pokes from its mouth. The spiders skitter about, more nervous than before.
I'm assuming you would have the best. It's
At the back of the
wisdom.
crevice lies a bag
Yep.
enfolded in the chitinous squabbling of spiders.
Fuck.
A shiny gold coin pokes from its mouth.
Nope. No. Ah, fuck. The waste. Not even worth it.
The spiders skitter about.
Have a lot on my mind. And
At the back of the crevice lies a bag enfolded in the chitinous squabbling of spiders. A shiny gold coin pokes from its mouth.
At least it's not the bonuses. Oh my god.
The spiders skitter about, more nervous than before.
So disadvantage, but I have 1,000 badillion pluses. What the fuck? What the fuck is happening here? The fuck? I don't think that was built for him. Interesting.
At the back of the crevice lies a bag enfolded in the chitinous squabbling of spiders.
Ugh.
At the back of the crevice lies a bag enfolded in the chitinous
There we go.
squabbling of spiders. Shiny gold coin
Okay.
pokes from its
Overachiever
mouth.
over here.
The spiders scatter.
Okay. What are we doing? Oh yeah, patch. I can't take the fucking money? Oh. Shit on the ground.
you have my attention.
What's up, bro? Oh shit.
Necklace.
Now I have guidance. Okay. We'll probably head towards this.
People up ahead. Something's wrong.
Do the what's that bitch's name? Albert.
I don't think he's conscious. Can you?
You, not a step closer.
A strange symbol glows, marked on their flesh, and something within you stirs in response.
An oil bear.
Shut up, Andric.
Wait.
The injured man locks eyes with you. A familiar squirming churn. Your limbs do not obey. Your minds intertwine. You see his siblings, Andric and Brinna. New recruit.
Protect them. He's a true soul.
He's
fucking dead now, bitch.
We were reporting to Edwin.
I'm going to use y'all.
What?
It killed one of us. You're right.
The keep is.
I know I'm right, bitch. Start walking.
Well, that was quite.
Strange. Your limb. Why let its host's memories go to waste? The tadpole has absorbed it all. Its experience could nourish you, strengthen you.
Do my self-guidance, bitch. Boom, I don't need no one's help.
Your muscles loosen. The tadpole breaks free of its deceased host. Your mind is your own again. For now.
I'm so wild.
Curiosity must be satisfied.
Yeah, sure.
This will come
Food.
in handy.
I wish he'd listened.
What's done is done.
Owlbear tracks. Its nest must be nearby.
What's this? Oh no. You fucking dick cheese whore.
Moving in.
Ooh.
Oh, I have the magic touch. Certainly. All right. That stench. Dead owlbear prey, no doubt.
It's just a.
As the symbol glows, power courses through you. Authority.
Or it smells your beer. Well, that's leaving. I'm surprised I didn't fucking fumble.
You're right. We can handle this. And
yeah. Oh. Don't kill the fucking baby. I'll kill you first. Fucking psychopath.
Have to keep going. No gloom, all doom.
I wonder if this is worth the cost.
Where do I go from here?
Fuck that water. You kill that fucking okay. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah, I definitely have to take that shit off. But that was disadvantage of everything. Alright, we're just gonna make this real easy.
No choice but to keep going. Have to keep going.
Why they're still stealthing? Why don't I? Can't tell them no, but still. This thing carries.
Time to press ahead.
Oh. Ah, fuck you. Ha! Fuck you.
Have to keep going.
No. Shit. It's a little bit better, if I do say so myself. Didn't matter that fucker. Let's not kill everybody. Yeah.
Time to push my luck again.
I hate this fucking game. Fucking trash. Bitch. Damn. Yeah, screech all you want. Bitch.
Good looks from you to his. A single strike will end his
No.
suffering. You watch, speechless, as the cub begins to eat his mother.
Yes, yes.
Fighting chance now.
That, or we've just prolonged its misery.
Mercy, of course.
All's well that ends. Not as bad as it could have.
Takes a fight.
You've made a grave mistake.
Impero.
Unleash me.
Bitch.
Blood comes easy these days. What do I have to lose?
Let's get rid of you.
Survival is all that matters.
She either does a billion damage or none. Oh my god, fucking. At least someone's at them. Motherfucker's about to solo my team. Oh my dog shit gods. Thank you. Damn, I just don't want to split. She said hi.
Of course.
Okay. So I don't think I have to do anything.
Oblivious to your presence, the
Okay. Get the shit over here. And then we'll call it for the day.
Scientist Saluna over there.
Hopefully I can see the thing. Fuck. There we go.
An ancient prayer. Wonder if Saluna was listening.
Pretty cool.
There we go. Never knew prayer could be so practical. Coming of age rites for children born into worship of Saluna. A touch drastic, no?
No one stopped me yet.
Okay, so she has a 15.
Despite everything.
I have a lot on my mind.
So she's going to be up front
In it.
most of the time. That's right, because she doesn't get her dex bonus. Do you have one? No. Okay, so this should go to you.
I've got a long road ahead.
So I know what to sell. Perfect.
Elminster's not around, so might as well.
Alrighty. In the next episode, we're gonna get motherfucking Scratch Little Doggy. So we are going to save. Peace.